Welcome to the big top of trading. Step right up and witness the daring drama of the E-mini S&P 500 market profile. Because this show is all about flips, flops, and flying trapeze acts disguised as candlesticks. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area. High. VAH. 7,492. The top trapeze platform. Bulls need acceptance above it or risk a dramatic midair. Why did I buy the high, Joe? Moment. Value area. Low. Val. 7,482. The lower ring floor. Lose this and the bears may roll out the tiny car full of downside chaos. Point of control. POC. 7,487. The center ring, where the largest trading crowd gathered. Price may magnetize here when conviction starts juggling bowling pins. Support zone, 7,482 to 7,487. Val into Piak. Buyers need to keep this elephant stand upright. Deeper support zone, 7,471 to 7,475. Session low and thin lower shoot. A break here could send price sliding down the clown ramp. Resistance zone, 7,492 to 7,496. VAH into session high. Sellers may be waiting with pies and questionable intentions. Upper resistance zone, 7,498 to 7,505. Breakout extension zone. Above this, bulls may fire themselves from the cannon. Single prints / escape paths. Lower, 7,471 to 7,475. Thin volume trapdoor. If broken, downside travel may accelerate. Upper, 7,494 to 7,496. Thin upper wire. Acceptance above can trigger a squeeze act. I'll mark. Market. Context. The last three sessions show an upward march. Price moved from the 7,402 to 7,455 range on May 11th, through a recovery session on May 12th, then expanded strongly on May 13th into the 7,489 area. Today's early trade is balancing near the highs, with price currently above POC and holding near the upper value edge. Translation from the circus announcer: bulls still control the main tent, but the market is stretched near resistance. A breakout above 7,496 needs real volume, not just a unicycle and optimism. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Note. Uses directional volume proxy, CVD from the bar data. Session open, CVD, 1,713. Buyers entered the tent first, waving tiny bullish flags. 4 o'clock Eastern Time, CVD, 7,793. Buying pressure strengthened as the early act got rolling. Intraday low, CVD 913 at 5:30 Eastern Time. Sellers briefly took the spotlight and nearly dropped the juggling clubs. Intraday peak CVD 20,395 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Aggressive buyers hit their loudest applause. Current CVD 17,859. Still strongly positive, though slightly off peak. Interpretation. Buyers have the delta edge, but the pullback from peak CVD warns that 7,492 to 7,496 is not a free pass. Bulls need renewed participation above VAH, or this circus tent may turn into a chop factory. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,482 to 7,487, especially on a defended VAL or POC reclaim. Stop loss, 7,474 below the lower thin volume shoot. Profit target. First target 7,492. Second target 7,496. Extension 7,505. Short trades. Entry zone, 7,492 to 7,496 on rejection, failed breakout, or bearish CVD divergence. Stop loss, 7,501 above session high and upper resistance. Profit target. First target 7,487. Second target 7,482. Stretch target 7,475. Keep size controlled. This is a high wire act near session highs, and nobody wants to be the trader who discovers gravity live on stage. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above. VAH. Price holds above 7,492 and pushes through 7,496 with CVD expanding. Setup. Long above 7,496. Stop 7,487. Target 7,505. The bulls launch from the cannon, hopefully with a helmet. Scenario B. Rejection at resistance. Price probes 7,492 to 7,496, but CVD stalls or rolls over. Setup. Short failed acceptance near 7,494 to 7,496. Stop 7,501. Target 7,487, then 7,482. Cue the sad trombone. Scenario C. Value area. Rotation. Price remains between 7,482 to 7,492. Setup. Buy near 7,482 to 7,484. Sell near 7,492 to 7,496. Keep targets tight around 7,487. Classic center ring chop, popcorn optional. Scenario D. Breakdown below. Val. Price loses 7,482 and cannot reclaim it. Setup. Short below 7,482. Stop 7,488. Target 7,475. Then 7,471. If the trapdoor opens, do not argue with the clown car. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.